Hey crafty friends, it's Connie here from the Daily Life of Creativity, and today I will be flipping through my holiday mini album using the Holiday Life collection by Simple Stories. This one features a kit available now over on my Etsy shop. In our creativity shop, I will go ahead and link it in the description box below. Everything you see here comes in the kit, like the papers, the chipboard pieces, the acrylic titles like Season's Greetings, the wood little houses, Jingle Bells, and so on. Okay. It also comes with ribbon, cardstock, some glue for the acrylic wood pieces, step-by-step instructions, which are easy to follow. This was my first time creating instructions to sell. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me because this does not include a process video, but it does include the step-by-step cutting guide and also instructions to put it together. This album is perfect for holiday photos, journaling, just creative moments for yourself this season or last season. It is really beginner friendly and a fun experience for crafters. If you're feeling crafty or if you want to give it as a gift to someone special, I do recommend this one. I only have 10 kits available, so if you are interested, check it out on my Etsy shop. Once again, Inner Creativity Shop. And if you make one, don't forget to tag me over on Instagram at the Daily Life of Creativity or my Etsy shop Instagram, which is Inner Creativity Shop crafts. I will also go ahead and link that below. So I'm just here flipping through everything that comes in the album. You also get that black and white cardstock, and only thing that you will need pretty much to get going with this would be a cutting or a scoring board. So a cutting or a scoring board. You will also need some type of liquid glue. If you like to use double-sided adhesive, foam adhesive, nails, scissors. I love using a book cover guide tool to mirror the corners, but you don't have to use one if you don't want to. You can just ensure that you leave enough space in the corners to wrap the chipboard so the paper is not showing. But yeah, this is what comes with the Season Greetings mini album using the Holiday Life collection by Simple Stories. Everything should be linked in the description box below, and let me know what you think about it. Remember, I only have 10 kits available, and currently I'm also working on 2 summer kits and a travel kit using EcoBark paper. Those will be listed over at my Etsy shop. I also have many things on my Etsy shop like acrylic embellishments, acrylic albums, washi cutters. Those are cute for cutting double-sided tape. Well, they're cute, but they work great. Also, washi cutter if you have friends that like to plan and use washi tapes. I'm just showing you guys that I added a little their Life of Creativity sticker with the Inner Creativity Shop sticker. All right, bye guys. Thank you once again for stopping by, and thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the comments here on YouTube, and I love you all, my crafty friends.